We start new lesson, electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? And what is electrochemical cell? A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called electrochemical cell. In this cell, decrease in Gibbs free energy appears as the electrical energy or electrical work. An electrochemical cell was prepared first time by Galvani and Alessandro Volta. Therefore, they are also called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. For example, torch cell, button cell used in calculator, cameras, watches are electrochemical cell. Inverters used to generate electricity on a small scale, and car batteries are basically electrochemical cell. वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल, मेन वर्किंग हमको समझना है तो इसमें दो कंटेनर लेंगे हम, एक जिंक रॉड डिप्ड इन जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन एंड अनदर कॉपर रॉड डिप्ड इन copper sulfate solution, 1 m copper sulfate solution and 1 m zinc sulfate solution, and both the container are connected by a salt bridge, and both the electrode, anode and cathode, are connected by key and a voltmeter. Zinc rod, since zinc is more reactive than copper, so it loses electron fast. So electron loses from zinc rod. Since it loses electron, so it acts as anode, and copper rod gains electron, so it acts as cathode. Now this whole matter is explained in these notes. And what is the function of salt bridge? Salt bridge function, it allows the flow of current by completing the circuit and maintains electrical neutrality. And in this figure, we see that when zinc rod loses electron, then zinc ion is formed and dissolved in this solution, zinc sulfate solution, and zinc ion, concentration of zinc ion increases because zinc ion is already present in the zinc sulfate, and zinc ion is coming from zinc rod, so concentration of zinc ion increases, and in this way the sulfate ion, concentration of sulfate ion decreases. So to maintain the electrical neutrality, Cl minus come into the aid in this side, and here copper ion, electron coming through this wire and deposited on the copper rod, which acts as cathode, and copper ion from the copper sulfate solution deposited on this electrode by accepting 2 electrons by each atom of copper. So in this concentration, in this solution, copper ion, concentration of copper ion decreases in respect to sulfate ion. So positive ion, potassium ion, is come into aid for electrical neutrality. This is the working of electrochemical cell. And current flow from this side, electron flow from this side, so current flow from opposite side, from this side. And we observe, some of the observation are made, that is deflection of needle of voltmeter towards left indicates that current flows towards the left. Zinc rod gradually loses its weight while copper rod gains in weight. Concentration of zinc ion in the zinc sulfate solution increases while the concentration of copper and copper sulfate decreases. The solution in both the compartment remains electrical neutral. There is no evolution of it during the process. The reaction as well as flow of electron stops after some time. In the beaker placed on the left hand side is called oxidation half. इस बीकर को ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ कहेंगे क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है, इसको रिडक्शन हाफ कहेंगे. एंड जहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो एनोड का काम करता है, इसलिए जिंक रॉड एनोड का काम किया। जहाँ रिडक्शन होता है वो कैथोड का काम करेगा, क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करता है। अब इसके बाद है in the beaker placed on left hand side is called oxidation half, because zinc rod loses its electron and oxidized to zinc ion, so oxidation half reaction. And similarly copper ion gains electron, so it is reduction half reaction. The electrode where oxidation takes place is called anode, and the electrode where reduction takes place is called cathode. Here zinc rod is anode, copper is cathode. Now the anode forms negative pole and cathode forms positive pole, and the overall reaction is written like this: zinc, copper ion, copper, zinc ion. And we already mentioned the function of salt bridge. Now representation of an electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell can be represented as: first, zinc rod is placed in contact of zinc ion, that is zinc sulfate solution, and C1 is the concentration of the solution, zinc sulfate solution. And double vertical line shows the salt bridge and copper sulfate solution, so it is represented as copper ion, whose concentration is C2, consider, and it is in contact with copper rod. So single vertical line indicates the two phases, contact of two phases, metal electrode and metal ion, and double vertical line represents salt bridge, which separates the two half cell. Now electrode potential. What is electrode potential? The potential difference between the electrode and its ion in the solution is called electrode potential. Let us consider a copper placed in copper sulfate solution, and we clear it in this figure. Here copper rod is placed in the copper sulfate solution. Suppose इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉपर के द्वारा, सपोज करते हैं कोई भी मेटल है और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है, लूज करने के बाद वो आयन में चेंज होगा। तो जब आयन में चेंज होगा तो Mn प्लस आयन सॉल्यूशन में आ जाएगा और इलेक्ट्रॉन इस स्ट्रिप पर आ जाएगा। तो आफ्टर ऑक्सीडेशन क्या चेंजिंग होगा वो इसको हम यहाँ फिगर में दिखाए हैं कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज सॉल्यूशन में आएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज रड पर आएगा, मेटल रड पर। तो इस दोनों के बीच जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव, इसी को हम लोग कहेंगे इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल। क्योंकि कुछ देर के बाद इक्विलिब्रियम सेटअप होगा, कि ऐसा नहीं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज होते जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कुछ देर के बाद ये माइनस चार्ज प्लस चार्ज को थोड़ा बहुत एक्सेप्ट भी करेगा, एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद इक्विलिब्रियम आ जाएगा। इक्विलिब्रियम आने के बाद सॉल्यूशन में प्लस चार्ज कुछ रहेंगे और रड पर माइनस चार्ज रहेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन के कारण। तो ये दोनों के बीच जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा इसी को कहेंगे हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल। और सेम चीज़ यहाँ पर है रिडक्शन के केस में, कि अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है, कोई मेटल आयन से अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है तो क्या होगा, मेटल सॉलिड तो डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा, यहाँ प्लस चार्ज आ जाएगा और इसमें माइनस चार्ज होगा। रिडक्शन के बाद फिर माइनस और प्लस में जो डिफरेंस होगा पोटेंशियल का, इसको कहेंगे इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल। सो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल is a measure of relative tendency of the metal to lose or gain electron. Now it is of two types: oxidation potential, reduction potential. Oxidation potential means electron lose जो करता है, और reduction potential it is the tendency to gain electron. Electrode potential is generally expressed in terms of reduction potential or standard reduction potential. That's why today class.